Okay, so gawin natin yung weekly horoscope ng may mga sun, moon, at rising na Aries for May 4 to 10. So, subscribe, like, and share. If you don't know yung sun, moon, rising mo, sa dulo ng video, you can watch a link for that. The readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And for private readings sa Spellworks, message me. Friday to Sunday, nasa Omegulay tayo sa session mode. Okay. So, Aries, ano ba mga cards mo? So, we have here is the Nine of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, then we have your King of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, puro Pentacles, tsaka si Queen of Swords. And your deities is si Juno and Vesta. Okay. So, ano ba? This is a progressive reading. Ah, so maramdaman mo pa yung effect nito at least in the next 2 to 3 more weeks. So, ano bang na-expect natin? So, we have here the Nine of Pentacles. You know what? Ito, planning is good. Pero, ang over-planning, it's bad. Kasi, di ba, anything na sobra din, anything na lumalagpas is hindi mabuti. Parang sa ulan, di ba? Okay naman ang ulan na. The thing is, kapag sumobra naman yung ulan, baha naman yung kapalit nun, which is not good for sa mga tao, sa mga hayop, kahit sa mga halaman. So, this is actually a moment that you need to start implementing yung sa iba sa mga naging plans mo, iba sa mga tinargets mo, iba sa mga ginagawa mo. Kasi, yung timing din kasi nasisira na. So, the card is advising na masyado mong maghahanap ka ngayon ng, basta niya naghahanap ng mga resources, ng support. Dude, dumarating yon kapag gumalaw ka. Dumarating yon kapag andoon na you start building something. Kasi, one thing about the universe is never too early. It is never too late. It's always, sakto yan. So, this card is advising na time to move forward na. Kasi, with the Ace of Pentacles we have here, andoon na sabi na lang natin na hindi pa, nakikita, masyado mong fino-foresee, nagpo-focus ka ngayon sa mga negative things na pwedeng mangyari along the way. Walang masama na tinitingnan natin yung mga negative aspect. Kasi, yun pamamaraan ng universe para bigyan tayo ng warning. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, doon ka na magpo-focus. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, yun na yung lalamon ng attention mo, na doon ka na lang talaga mapapako. Advice ng card sa'yo, pag may nakita kang sabihin natin possible negative na outcome or magiging posibleng problema in the future, dude, create ka ng plan na or backup plan na if ever mangyari yon, meron ka nang gagawin. So, and then set that aside and then continue ka sa ginagawa mo. Kasi ako yung nanghihinayang para sa'yo na madaming oras yung nasasayang. Remember, timing is very important. Now, the Knight of Cups. So, the Knight of Cups kasi, this is, with the Swan. Swan kasi is one of the most, as far as I know, besides sa Seahorse, isa sila sa pinaka-loyal na, nagkakaroon ng partner. Na parang, kung tama yung naalala ko, na namamatay sila off because of a broken heart. Kasi, hindi nila, andun yung commit, andun yung com, shh, andun yung commitment nila doon sa partner nila. So, literal, to that did they part. And even in that, hindi sila tumitigil. And then they continue to love. So, the Knight of Cups is advising you, you know what you want Alam mo na yung target mo. Ano pa ba yung pumipigil sa'yo? Huwag mong irason na walang timing. Create a timing na walang resources. It will come kapag nag-take ka ng step. Parang siya hinihintay ka ng universe na to take that leap. May sasalo sa'yo. Yun yung, siguro, in the concept, siguro, nalilimit tayo because of yung human mindset natin na dapat naka-prepare na lahat. No, that's not how the universe work. The universe work in faith. Kaya nga 'di ba meron tayong kasabihan, leap of faith. Take that jump. Ikaw lang hinihintay lagi ng universe ngayon. Now, we have here is the Page of Pentacles next. So the card is actually also advising na na start with what you have. Kumaga, hindi naman lahat ng businesses na malalaki na pinalaki ng mga taong payak ang pamumuhay is nagsimula sila ng grabe. Kung tama yung pagkakalala ko, di ba? Remember I think Henry C., yung founder ng SM, na Schumart? He started small. Kaya nga, di ba, Schumart, kasi ano siya sepulturero ba yun? Ay, sepulturero. Ano siya, basta yun, nag-aayos ng mga, sapatos. So, the card is saying, kung siya, yung from the humble beginnings, umangat siya. Same thing with you. Everything starts small. Even yung mga punong malalaki na nakikita natin, nagsimula yan bilang isang maliit na buto, isang binhi. So, andoon na the card is saying, hindi mo kailangan na mag-focus sa bakit ganun nagsimula sa malaki. No, start from the basics. Magsimula ka doon sa pinaka-foundation mo at this point. Okay? Now, once nandun na ginawa mo mag-decide ka na susundan mo yung process ng universe at andoon na mag-take ka ng leap of faith, dude, with the King of Pentacles, the resources, yung support, yung connection sa mga kailangan mo, kusang darating. Kasi ang gagamitin ng universe dito is unang-una yung consistency mo, pangalawa yung dedication mo, pangatlo dito, yung heart mo to aim na makuha yung ini-aim mo. Kung hindi mo gagamitin yung unang tatlong ingredients na yun, hindi mangyayari na maidadagdag yung succeeding ingredients. Diba sa pagluluto, may mga inuuna tayo bago natin ilagay yung mga karne o yung mga gulay. Di ba for the gisa-gisa? Parang ganun, magigisa ka muna, hindi mo ginagawa. So, hindi tuloy mabigay ng universe yung the next mong ingredients. Kasi baka mamaya bila mo ilagay. Timing is very important. Okay? Now, the Four of Pentacles. Now, Four is about structure. Now, Pentacles is about, again, the Earth. Dami mga purong halos Pentacles to. Now, sinasabi dito, one thing na kailangan mo din bigyang pansin towards, kasi this also pertains to people na parang nag-iisip kayo na to build a business or build something big para sa sarili nyo, is also how to make the most of what you have. Kumaga, andun yung tinatawag natin, of course, andun yung kailangan financial education, andoon na kailangan natin marunong tayo sa accounting din. Ano ba yun? Andun na kailangan din natin na marunong tayo na magpaikot ng pera. So the cards is also advising that it is a time for now for you to learn and expand your knowledge. Kasi without it, dude, babagsak to mga to. So that's why we have here also the Queen of Swords. Now, the owl is a symbol ng sa ibang mga culture, symbol siya of wisdom. Now, swords about air, about the mind and the intellect. So, ito yung pinapaalala ng cards din sa'yo that your knowledge should be ever expanding. Hindi dahil na, ay, okay na, dead man na. No, this should be a continuous process. Andoon na, kung gusto mo, if you want to grow, you need to dig deeper into your knowledge. Parang ugat lang yan, yung knowledge and yung wisdom, pwede mo siyang tignan na parang ugat sa puno. Hanggat hindi lumalalim yung ugat ng puno, hindi niya kayang yumabang, hindi niya kayang lumaki. Now, yung deities na kasama mo ngayon is a Judo, so 12 marriage perspective and a wish to relate. And si Vesta, 11, sanctuary purification and a wish to isolate. Alam mo yung point na you need to find balance, na hindi sa lahat ng oras you need to give, hindi sa lahat ng oras you need to think, because there are moments that you also need to do, there are moments you also need to act. Diba? Kaya nga yung sinabi dun sa ni King Solomon, there's a time for everything, a season for every activity under the sun. Parang a time to be born and a time to die. And this is the moment that for you to oras mo na para mag-take ng actions. Kasi without actions, puro plano, nga, walang mangyayari talaga. So, that's how you change it. So, I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago, subscribe, like, and share. Private readings, message me. And Friday to Sunday, sa Oh My Gulay tayo sa session mode. So, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless. Namaste, Hare Krishna, blessed be, and hope to see you soon from Baguio City. Have a great day. Bye for now.